I am going to open the meeting. We have a very short agenda this morning, and if it is required for you to offer any legal explanation, you may do so within the bounds you feel are appropriate for sharing. Okay?
Okay.
My name is Sharon Dodge. I am past president of the Venetia Condominium Association, now seated board of directors. I'm opening the meeting on March 1, 2013 at 9 a.m. here in the conference room, CU 16 at Venetia Condominium. We have quorum present. Seated on my right is Sam Ziegelboehm, Sam Ziegelboehm, and Emilio Mena, Emilio Garcia Mena, seated on my right. Proof of notice of meeting. Mylene Ibanez, has this notice been properly noticed? Ma'am. Okay. New business, selection of officers. I think before we move to the selection of officers, we are going to address item number B, the director access to office staff and offices. And I am reading for entry into our minutes the corporate resolution, Venetia Condominium Association, Inc., regarding potential conflict of interest. At present, we have no secretary of the corporation. However, I think before we proceed to officers, it is essential to us to address this issue. It's going to affect the slate of officers. Whereas I, the undersigned, being the blank of the corporation and being under business duty to record all corporate decisions and resolutions, do hereby record this corporate resolution pursuant to regular corporate authority, and said resolution is the free act and deed of said corporations. And whereas the association, a not-for-profit corporation established pursuant to the laws of the state of Florida, with the obligation to maintain the Venetia condominium pursuant to the declaration of condominium recorded in the public records in and for Miami-Dade County, Florida. Whereas the allegations have made to the president of the association that the current board member, Emilio Garcia Mena, has sexually harassed association management and office staff. Whereas the association has been advised that a lawsuit will be filed imminently that may or may not name the association as a defendant relating to the allegations of sexual harassment and assault against Mr. Garcia Mena. And whereas as a result, for the protection of Mr. Mena and the office management staff, the board of directors at a meeting being held on March 1st, 2013, discussed the allegations levied against Emilio Mena and what steps must be taken to protect the association from any liability against the allegations should they be proven. Now, therefore, be it resolved that the board of directors hereby approves the following action. Number 1, while a member of the board of directors, Mr. Garcia Mena, shall not present himself at the association office without at least 1 hour's notice. The purpose of the required notice is for management staff to procure the attendance of security personnel at the office for the duration of any required visit to the office by Mr. Mena. Number 2, because of the allegations levied against Mr. Mena, he will not serve as an officer of the association until and unless such time as the allegations are resolved, either in a court of law or through agreement with the association staff. Number 3, Mr. Mena is barred from contacting office staff in person, other than as provided for in paragraph 1, by phone or email, and must submit all requests related to the association by letter to Association President Sharon Dodge, or whomever shall be president. This resolution has been approved by the remaining members of the board of directors.
Okay. Well, the idea about the resolution is obviously something that you would execute if in fact the board decides to incorporate its the language in there into the practice of the association's board of directors.
Thank you, Carlos. I make the motion that we incorporate the corporate resolution just identified and read into the record until such time as this conflict is resolved.
I second the motion.
All in favor? Aye. The resolution is passed. The only other remaining item of business for us today is the nomination of officers.
And I nominate Sharon as the president of the board of directors of Venetia Condo.
I second that nomination. All in favor? Aye. I nominate Sam Ziegelbaum for the office of Vice President and, in the interim, Secretary Treasurer of the Association. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. That carries. That completes our business. This is to announce Sam in his new role and to continue the announcement of my position as president of the association. Thank you very much, all of you, for your attendance.
You can adjourn. Thank you.
You guys want to